Okay, part 20. It is November, I have to check, 18th or 19th, Tuesday. The drawing is now done. I'll be framing it next. Just going to go around here clockwise, starting at lower left around the mat first. Got lots of allegorical sea monsters, insects. This hand I drew in May 1968 for an art class assignment at Martin Van Buren High School, Queens Village, New York. My right hand, I'm left-handed, so. This drawing up here I did in 1973. It was in a sketchbook from then. I was a freshman majoring in art at Parkland Junior College, Champaign, Illinois. And these two drawings I did in 2013. Possibly from photos taken by a New York Times photographer named João Silva, who was covering Israeli airstrikes in Beirut, Lebanon, and the never-ending conflict between Israel and its neighbors, and Palestinians, and so on. Well, I should clarify that because Israel and Jordan and Israel and Egypt have been at peace for a long time now. Quickly here, this hand I drew for that same art class assignment dated March 14th, 1968. Realize this is very quick to be able to absorb all these different images. And then the drawing inside the window of the mat. And my portrait of slain Roman Catholic Archbishop Oscar Romero, born 1917, died 1980. All right, there you have it. I'll suggest people can view the photograph in a large size once it gets posted to the Sightseeing with Dignity Art Series gallery and my website. All right, there you have it.